Greetings, amazing boys and girls, and welcome to Learning with Avant-garde Books. I'm Sheree Hardy, and I hope you are well. Today, we have a lesson on the FL sound. What sound does the F and the L make when they are together? Well, before we get started with this important lesson, I want you to make sure you're in a very comfortable place, you're relaxed, so that you can learn about the FL sound. Beautiful scholars, you probably have seen the letters F and L together in many different words. Today we're going to learn about what this sound makes. Together, the F and the L make up a blend. The sound will be something like this: fluh, fluh. When the F and the L are together, it will sound like this: fluh, fluh, like in flowers, like in floor, or like in flip. Well, we're going to learn more about this sound, but before we keep going, I want you to know that your learning potential is limitless. You can learn anything you want to learn. Well, thank you for listening and learning and watching with Avant-garde Books. We're going to continue our lesson. Let's see if you remember what sound the F and the L make when they are together. You got it right. It makes the fl sound, like in the words flower or waffles. The FL can be at the beginning of a word, and it can also be somewhere in the middle of the word. There are very few words with the F and the L at the end, so we won't cover those in this lesson. Let's say the two words on your screen. Now, I'm going to say the first word, and then I want you to repeat after me. Flower. You did a great job. Let's say our next word. Waffles. You are phenomenal. We're going to continue this lesson on the FL sound. Let's check for understanding. When you see the letters F and L together, do you know what sound this blend makes? You got it right. It makes the fluh sound. Fluh. You try the sound. Great job. Here are some examples of words with the FL sound. I will say them and I would like for you to repeat after me. Fly, float, flute, Florida, cauliflower, waffle. You did a phenomenal job. So when you see the F and the L together, what sound does this blend make? Bravo! You got it right. Let's keep learning. Here are some words where the F, L are at the beginning. These words start with the FL sound. Let's say them. Flamingo, flashlight, flamingo, flashlight. You are wonderful. Here are two more words with the FL sound at the beginning. We have flame and flu. Flame, flu. Great job. Amazing scholars, do you recognize these words that start with the FL sound? Well, we have flag and flea. Flag and flea. Let's continue our lesson with the FL sound. Here are two words that also have the FL sound. We have flan and floss. Flan and floss both start with the fla sound. So remember, when you see the F and the L together, you make the sound fluh. like in flan and floss. These two words also start with the FL sound. We have Florida and float. Now, I want you to say each word after me. Florida, float. So remember, when you see the FL together, what sound does it make? You did a great job. I am so proud of you. It makes the plus sound. You are right. Now we have floor and fly. Floor, fly. The bird flies. We walk on a floor. Remember, the F and the L together create a blend, and the sound is fluh, fluh. Beautiful boys and girls, you probably noticed that these words do not have the F and the L at the beginning. The F and the L are somewhere sort of in the middle. Let's say these words together. We have firefly and ruffle. Firefly, ruffle. Did you hear the fluh sound in those words? Great job. These words also have the FL sound in the middle. We have reflect and airflow. Reflect, airflow. You try those two words all by yourself. You did a phenomenal job. Let's keep learning. Here are more words where the F and the L are together in the middle of the word. We have conflict and raffle. Conflict, raffle. These two words also have the FL sound in the middle. We have cauliflower and camouflage. Cauliflower, camouflage. Do you recognize the two words on the screen? Well, we have butterfly and influential. Butterfly and influential. These words don't have the FL sound at the beginning, but somewhere in the middle. Now, I want you to try to say these words after me. Butterfly, influential. You did a great job. Now, we have newsflash and baffle. Newsflash and baffle both have the FL sound somewhere in the middle. I would like for you to also say these words right after me. Newsflash, baffle. Great job. I am so proud of you. Now we're going to get some practice saying words that start with the FL sound and also words that have the FL sound somewhere in the middle. Let's look at column 1. I will say each word, and then I would like for you to repeat the word after me. Flame, flap, fleet, flip, flop, Florida, fluoride, and flutus. You did a great job, and now for column 2. These are words that also have the FL sound, fluff sound, somewhere in the middle. We have affluence, cauliflower, deflect, horsefly, inflammable, inflation, reflection, and souffle. Well, boys and girls, you can pause the slide and say these words after me over and over and over again. I'm so proud that you're learning new vocabulary words. It's important to practice and study. Let's keep going. A little quiz. Which word has the FL sound? Look at the pictures and see if you can guess the word that has the FL sound. I bet you got it right. Flower starts with the FL sound. Let's continue with our quiz. Look at those words. Do you know which word has the FL sound? If you said flame, you got it right. Flame starts with the FL sound. Good job. About these two words. Do you know if one of these words has the FL sound in it? Well, if you said butterfly, you got it right. You did a fantastic job. Butterfly has the FL sound in it. You can look at the picture and tell me which word has the FL sound in it. I just know you know the answer. Yay, you got it right. Cauliflower is a word that has the FL sound in the middle of the word. Good job. All right, here's another question for our quiz. Which of these words has the FL sound in it? Yay! I know you got it right. Flashlight starts with the FL sound. Which of these words has the FL sound? Well, if you said flag, you got it right. Flag starts with the letters F and L. Remember, the letters F and L make a blend that sounds like this. Fluh, fluh, like in flag. Now, amazing scholars, there is a sentence on your screen, and many of the words have the FL sound in them. I'm going to say the sentence, and then I would like for you to say the sentence after me the second time. Using a flashlight, you can see fireflies fly and flit at night. Now, I want you to repeat after me. Using a flashlight, you can see fireflies fly and flit at night. Bravo! You did an amazing job, and we have 2 more sentences to go. Here is a new sentence with words that have the FL sound in them. I'm going to say the sentence first, and then, just like you did before, I would like for you to repeat the sentence. Butterflies fly and float on flowers in Florida. Now, you try to say the sentence. Butterflies fly and float on flowers in Florida. Again, I can't say enough about how proud I am of you. Thank you for listening, watching, and learning with Avant-garde Books. Here is our last sentence, boys and girls. I'm going to say the sentence just like I did before. Just listen and follow along. And then I will say it one more time, and you repeat the words after me. Again, you can stop the video and you can say these words over and over again so that you can improve your vocabulary. The president's influence baffles others and causes them to reflect. Now, you try to say this sentence after me. The president's influence baffles others and causes them to reflect. Great job. Now, let's wrap things up. Today's lesson was about what sound? That's right. It was about the FL sound. When the F and the L are together, they make the FLA sound. There are many different words with the FL sound. Some words have the FL sound at the beginning, and some have the FL sound in the middle. There are a few words that have the FL sound at the end, but not many of them in the English language. So, thank you again for listening and learning and watching with Avant-garde Books. Tell me something. When you see that FL together, what sound does it make? Wow, I am jumping for joy because you learned so much. Take care. Beautiful children, this concludes our lesson for today. What did you learn? Please let us know. Thank you for watching. And also, if you're listening through a podcast, just know that you can see this video. And all you have to do is go to our YouTube channel. I'll make sure that I have a link in the description box with the podcast. Well, again, thank you for watching, listening, and learning with Avant-garde Books. Take care. Keep learning. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our educational YouTube channel.